Whoa. Okay, today we're gonna make cake-like brownies. There's two different ways to make it. I'm gonna make it where they're a little thicker, so I'm gonna use this 8x8 pan. Then when it's cool, we'll top it with this buttercream topping. So we got oil, 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, and 2 tablespoons of water. And then we'll mix it over here with the mixer. So anyway, I'm gonna pause it and start adding ingredients. So we got the oil and the water and the eggs. It says 325 for 8x8. Sorry about the shadow, but we're in the kitchen cooking. And we got 48 to 51 minutes. It's a long time. 325. So here's the directions if you want to look at them. I'll put them at the end of the video in a little instruction card. Anyway, back to adding the cake dust, and we'll start mixing. Here we go. Mix this up a little bit. Won't be long. Probably don't want to let you mix this, so I'll pause it. Okay, I got it all mixed up. See the air bubbles in it? What we want to do is hurry up and transfer it over to here with the greased bottom, so the air kind of stays in it and makes it a little fluffier. There you go, you can see the air bubbles. Then we got to get it in the oven before they all get out. So, I'm going to pause it for an hour probably. And come back and we'll show you how to test it to make sure it's done. Okay, we got 3 or 4 minutes left. We're going to check this. You see, it looks like it needs a little more time, but pull it out here. You're going to grab a toothpick and stick it in there. A couple inches from the side. Let's see what it says. There, maybe it'll focus on it. See, that's, I can't get a good picture of it. You see stuff on the toothpick. We'll come back and show you when it's done. There won't be anything on that toothpick when it's done. All right, let's try it. Should be done. I've been wrong before, but getting these taken. Look at that. Perfect. Get it out of there. There's the timer. Then we just put it on a little metal rack. Let it cool for several hours until we can frost it. There you go, a little rack. Keep it up off anything that might get hot and burn. Scorch. All right, be back later with the frosting. Okay, been a couple hours. We're gonna spread this icing on there. It looks pretty good. Buttercream. Anyway, they're 2 for $5 at Safeway right now. I'll put some icing on, and then we'll take some more videos. Got a little bit on there. We'll keep adding it and see what happens. Oh my, that looks good. It's getting better all the time. Little ways to go. Okay, that's one 12-ounce can of frosting. It always amazes me how it covers an 8-ounce or an 8x8 pan or 9x13 pan. Just a little thicker on this one. Anywho, see what happens. And there it is. Pretty thick. Looks pretty good though. Yep. Sure enough. There it is. Beautiful cake. It's just that simple. Actually a brownie cake. I can hardly wait to eat it. Anyway, come back. We got more coming.